Hey guys, Joe here. Welcome back to another video, and today, we're just gonna go to sleep for now. That's all we're gonna. Oh, I can't rest. They're monsters. Doo-doo. And I didn't get any bones, by the way. Remember when I last did my video? I never got any bones from that skeleton. Ow! Ah, skeleton and a creeper. Bad luck day. Wow, ow! Swim away, swim away, swim away. Wait, a skeleton? I can get bones. Ow! Where's the skeleton? So, this is just Blake and Ewan talking. Because, you know, they're small people. Oh yeah, I forgot about this thing. I actually forgot about this. I wonder if the monsters are dead. What does it do? Click on it. So guys, I wanna sleep. You may hear people talking because of stuff. Yay! In the bed, in the bed, in the bed, I'm in the bed. Right here. Let's go outside. Oh, a dead zombie! A zombie dying. Look, a zombie. Oh no, that's not a zombie. That's a drowned. They're like water zombies. Look, that's a water zombie, also known as a drowned. Do you know why I'm saying this, guys? Because my cousin Blake is here. Say hi into the microphone, Blake.
Hi.
Yeah, he's on the internet now. Well done, Blake. They're basically zombies, but they can have tridents to shoot you with. Oh yeah, I've got a zombie head. I need to fix my punching bag because I wore the zombie head. A squid! Ugh! Yeah, I like marshmallows. Oh, is that a skeleton? Oh no, it's Mandy the polar bear. Mandy! No, I wasn't underwater. Mandy the polar bear. It's Mandy the polar bear. I know. Yeah! Look, a chicken! Wait, what is... Oh, a skeleton! I can get bones and then... Ah! Then tame a wolf. Ow! Hey! It's not very nice. I shall be mean if you are going to be mean. Oh yeah, got bones. Yeah, finally. Got bones, y'all. I shall save up and get loads of bones. Why isn't Haley in her house? Why? Why did she disappear? I'm gonna go search for more skeletons. Haley was my pig, but she got lost in the video before the last. And that was only like the second video she was in. So yeah, sad times for Haley the pig. Steak. Oop. Oh look! A dog. Wait, this isn't a dog. I know. I thought it was a dog because look. Should I try and tame it or should I get more bones? Because I might need more bones. Might need more bones, yeah. So many chickens. Why are there so many chickens on this one island? Hey, the island. I've never been here. There are chickens. Look, an invisible block. Stand on it and there's nothing there. Ooh. Let's go. So, I know because. Hang on. What? Can't get out. Oh. I need to tame. So how can I eat the steak? I need y'all. Is that grey chicken? I'm trying to find and kill the skeleton. Kill this chicken because I'm so angry. I need to find skeleton. No, I like the chickens. Except I might just kill this one. Isn't very nice. Rude. Let's go. They haven't loaded down there. Go forwards. Why is this such a small lake? Go. Why I'm walking underwater. Look. Ooh. Ooh. I think I might be on land. No, I'm in the water. Yay, this bit of the water. I like this bit. Swim. You just sprint under the water. If you sprint under the water. Look, you can do this. Or you swim. I'm gonna look so cool. Okay. Oh. I want to house those and kill them. Yeah, that's my house. It's such a great house. I really want to get into a cave. Oh, I know. I'll get some stuff from my house and then go into a cave. I'll make the torches. Ow. Oh yeah, this is Mandy's house. Right, I can't get past. Oh, the blocks haven't loaded. It's so hard to see. I don't know what they are. Sand? Oh, I like that in creative. Totally. So, guys, where should we make a cave thingy mine? Should we do it under a house? Yeah, but if you do diagonally. Oh no, my pickaxe is nearly broken. What? Oh. Oh yeah, they're not durable at all, are they? I'll get something else then. I totally didn't make this wolf in creative, guys. Totally. I'm just gonna chuck it in the water because it's so bad. Iron's better than gold. Irony. Iron. Hang on, have I got all my iron? Oh yeah, I need to fix my punch bag. Look, I got a punch bag. Punch. It's practicing for punching. Look, I'm gonna. Oops. Sure. Oh, a helmet. I need my helmet. Give me my helmet. Oh yeah. Yeah. Driving where? Apparently you. Oh, iron! Under here! This is the perfect place to mine. Hooray! I'll just break this in hand. I shall send this video on YouTube. Since it's a YouTube video. I totally didn't make that wolf in creative. Yay, I got iron. Irons. I want them good old iron. Iron, give me that iron. Yes, iron. Yes, I shall get up here. Okay, let's go, guys. Ooh, more iron. So much iron in this book. Oh no, I don't want. I want it. Oh, I want all the irons. Why didn't it give me the iron? Give me this iron, guys. Iron. Yum. Sweet, sweet iron. Da, 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 da. Hang on, I'm gonna go get a shovel just 'cause I like shovels to break sand and stuff. Ah! Oops, I'm gonna drown. I know. I shall destroy a skeleton. Let's go find something to kill. Let's go find something to kill. Let's go find an undead being to kill. Or a creeper or an enderman. I don't really want to hurt an enderman. I like them. They're cool. I've only seen an enderman in this world once. One time. And it was the same enderman. Da, da, da. Sneaky ninja. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. A lot, but in this world only once. Da, da, da. Ninja. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Da, na, 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 na. Da, da, da. Sneaky ninja. Da, da, da. Na, na, na. Da, da, da. Sneaky ninja. Da, da, da. Why is there nothing here? It's taking a long time. I'll just throw some eggs down to keep me happy. Why? What? The eggs had nothing in them. Dun dun dun. Sunai aka ninja. Sneaky ninja? Ow! Yes, skeleton, 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 skeleton. Kill you, kill you, skeleton, skeleton. Did I get any bones? No, I didn't get any bones. Shambles. Minecraft? I like Minecraft a lot. Oh look! A random egg on a tree. People say eggs don't grow on trees because they don't. No, actually I think a chicken just laid an egg on a tree. Where? Where is any skelly bobsticles? Okay, I'm gonna end the video here by giving my